Had a problem with my tub. The trip lever wasn't working very good with this bad boy. All corroded and junk. Couldn't make it happen. Even this thing got one corroded screw for this deal. All kinds of problems with this thing. Screwed with it for a long time. And decided to save big money at Menards. Get this sweet deal. Because as you can see, I got a lot of toys and I want them to float. So I need standing water in this tub. Anyway, when I went to take this thing out, I got access down in my basement. This deal sheared off, which is what's underneath here, which is where this is. So I found a couple of videos on YouTube talking about putting a claw hammer in here like this to get it broke loose, to get some leverage on it and a big handle. This thing was basically stuck, sandwiched in between my tub like so. I don't know how I was going to get this thing off without cracking the tub, which I hope I did not do. There's a few small little cracks in there, but I think they might have been there before. So anyway, what I wanted to share was how I did this. I got a cutoff wheel on my Dremel tool, and it came in there. Basically just buzzed this thing ever so carefully, and basically that's what I did. I cut this thing like so. Worked pretty good. Minimal effort. That brass cut pretty good. Hopefully somebody else can benefit from this. Awesome, fun home repair tip. Have a good day.